how to test and check face recognition sensor on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here. So click on device care. Scroll down and click on diagnostics. After click on diagnostics, click on phone diagnostics. Scroll down. So if you want to check and test face recognition sensor, so you will see face recognition sensor is here. So click on face recognition sensor. So click on start. So after show face, you will see result showing on your screen. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can check and test face recognition sensor on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.